in order to change this seat and the passenger seat, you're gonna have to take these 4 bolts out. It's gonna be a size 14 right here. There's one there, and you're gonna go in the back here, one there, and then one there. Now, if you have the same problem as me, or you're like in a junkyard, you're gonna have to move the seat back and forth to take it out. Now, if you can't do that, like me, like I have a problem with this, I can really move forward and back. You're gonna have to get a set like this to get under it and get the 14. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the negative terminal on the battery. One. It's on the side right there. And then the yellow one is here. You slide that thing back out and it comes up. So those are the 3. And then you have this, a zip tie right here. I hold the harness together. So these are the 3 connectors. The big one, the yellow one, and the small one, and that's about it. And now I have a functioning seat that has this cover and is in good condition. So that is it. This is how you change your driver's seat, and the same procedure for the passenger seat.